frequency polygon. As we know that analysis of data is required to draw some useful inferences from large amount of data, to do so, pictorial representation is another way of representing data in an easier and more simplified form, which makes our analysis more convenient. In this video, we will learn one such pictorial representation known as frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a visual display in the form of polygon that represents the frequency of each group when large amount of data is classified in groups. There are two ways of drawing a frequency polygon, with or without the help of a histogram. Let's take an example and learn the procedure of drawing a frequency polygon with the help of a histogram. Consider a grouped frequency distribution like this. In this table, we are given class intervals and their respective frequencies. The first step is to represent the frequency distribution by a histogram. Then, mark the midpoint of the upper side of each rectangle in the histogram like this. We have to draw a frequency polygon, and the polygon is a closed shape. So, we assume that the rectangle of 0 height exists preceding the first rectangle and mark its midpoint. Similarly, assume a rectangle succeeding the last rectangle and mark its midpoint. Join all the midpoints by line segments. The closed figure so obtained is known as the frequency polygon. Now, let's say we don't need a histogram and we just want to draw a frequency polygon. In that case, we prepare a table of 4 columns like this. In the first column, we'll copy down all the class intervals. In the second column, we write the class marks for each of the given classes. These will be considered as x coordinates for plotting the frequency polygon. In the third column, we write frequencies for each of the given classes. These will be considered as y coordinates for plotting the frequency polygon. In the fourth column, we write coordinates of all the points with class marks as their x coordinate and frequencies as their y coordinate. Next step is to plot these points on a graph. Taking a suitable scale, we'll draw the coordinate axis and plot all the points on the graph like this. Now, we'll join all the points in order by line segments. As we know, polygon is a closed shape, so we will plot these points as well and close the polygon like this. The closed figure so obtained is known as the frequency polygon.